Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm go ahead and just have the news of products on my right hand. This hot dog steamers, and let me give the unit's overall dimensions first. This unit is about like 18 inches in the length, and the depth about like 14 and 1/4 inches. And the overall height of the unit is about like 20 inches tall. So we can see the units coming with the glass covers on the front and behind, and the unit's major body made by all stainless steels. They have a caps on top. You can open it, and you can access from the different side. And they do having the switchers right here, the power switchers, and also they do have a temperature adjusters. They're holding the temperatures using the Fahrenheit from the 85 to the 175 degrees. And look in the front, they have a small caps. You can just twist it and open it to make the water came out from here. And from the unit side, we're having the manufacturer offer the standard 110 plugs. So when you look in the behind of the units, we found the ETL sanitation sticker on it, and they're using the 110 power, 60 hertz, and also they do have a serial numbers on it and the brand's name for the faster service. And for the inner side, we open the caps. For the right side, they are about like 11 inches wide and almost 11 inches deep. And the overall height, they are almost about like 10.5 inches. And the smaller side, it is almost about like 5.5 inches. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.